very excited. So I'm just going to interrupting. Oh, I'm out. Got no do. I'm ready. Who else is there? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today you guys are gonna pack with me, see some of the things that I take on my Caribbean cruise. In a few days, oh my God, it came so fast. In a few days, less than a week, I'll be on the Carnival Sunrise Eastern Caribbean cruise. So we're going to DR and also Turks and Caicos. And I'm so excited. I did, pack some of my clothes already. If you're anything like me, when I go on vacation, I'm a fashionista. Like I can't just bring 2 shirts, 1 pair of jeans, a t-shirt, some flip-flops. Like I have to have a whole statement. Just a little bit about what I've already packed so far. I have a few shorts. I have a lot of dresses. I have about 4 bathing suits. I also have some bags, some cute like sundresses, which you guys will see because I will be vlogging the entire time. This time I know what you guys are looking for. So I have that. I do have to pack my elegant dress for elegant night. So this right here, this is something, I think I only wore this like 1 time, so I'll probably just wear this dress for elegant night. So so if you don't do anything else, make sure that you pack a dress, some nice shoes, a nice bag, men nice tux, maybe not so formal, but definitely a button-up shirt, some nice slacks, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and so this right here, guys, is my travel pack. I take this everywhere I go. Some things I have in here. I have like deodorant. I have this Downy wrinkle release. This is really good because irons are not allowed on the cruise. Good, and it really does work. I also have some lotion here. I love Marc Jacobs Perfect, that fragrance. So I have like a little mini bottle that I take. I don't take my whole perfume with me, just because I only need a few little, a little something. Like random samples when you buy your perfume, like take these instead of taking your whole perfume. I also have my face oil that I use for that. I also have my face cleanser that I use. I have like a travel bottle for that. And then I also have motion sickness pills. So this is good. I've never actually experienced motion sickness on a cruise, but I know a lot of people do. I'm actually doing an ocean view this time, so that's good. I have to like organize a lot of my stuff more, but this poopery. Something else I have during this time are wipes. I have a few of these wet ones, 24 packs, so I have a few of these. Other things that I pack with me, I have toothpaste, and this is a lot of this stuff from the dollar store. I got all of this stuff from the dollar store, and they have really like well-known brands just in travel size quantities. So I use Crest. They had a lot of these. I actually got 2 of these, so I'm gonna take both. And then this 3-pack of like the Colgate toothbrushes. It's so I have my sunscreen because it can get real hot out there. I got this from the dollar store as well, from Dollar Tree. It will save your life and it will save you money. I also have these makeup wipes. I don't wear makeup a lot, but I do a little like eye makeup sometimes when I'm on a cruise. I got this brush from Dollar Tree just because I knew I was gonna have a bob. And in addition to the toothpaste, guys, I got this from the Dollar Tree also. It's like the Colgate like mouthwash toothpaste. I don't use it as a toothpaste, but it can be good, I guess, for a mouthwash. I mean, I don't really like Colgate, but I got it just in case. You never know. Dollar store is this. I did buy these travel size bottles and filled them up with my lotion and my oil. So on my body, I just use I use this argan like oil from Ancient Cosmetics, and I also use Nivea for the dry skin. So I put it all in 1 bottle, and then I filled up this with all my body oil. I use the fragrance. I think it's Mango Island or Island Mango or something like that. But I really like these combinations together. So I feel really good. I feel really tropical when I'm on vacation when I use both of these. So I just put them in here instead of taking the entire bottle. This came from the Target. They don't sell these in the Dollar Tree. Just the Olay body wash. I love this body wash. It's just like so. But they sell these in the travel size, and I got two during this time. As we know, COVID is running rampant. I did order off Amazon a 50-pack of masks, a big pack of these, so I should be good with these for the cruise. But I just want to make sure that I'm taking as much precaution as possible. So I think I may go pick up an extra pack of the K95 N95. Definitely when I'm traveling, definitely in the airport. Exactly what I'm using my wipes for. I know on the cruise they do, they wipe down everything pretty good. I will say they were on top of it on my last cruise. And I would think they're 10 times more on top of it now because of the new variant. So, got my mask. Black this time. If you guys watched my previous video, you know that I had colors to match my outfits. I had colors to match my outfits, but for this one, I just kept it simple, kept it black. Oh, bless you. One of my cruise, I got the magnet hooks. Now, I have been seeing online, I'm in a few Facebook groups for Carnival, and they mentioned that the walls on the Sunrise are not magnetic, which really threw me off because I thought everything was magnetic. So I don't know if they were necessarily, I'm saying they were lying, but so I did get this self-adhesive hook. So all you do is take off the, stick off the back and you stick these on it. And I use these a lot for like my purses. I like to hang up my, what is it called? With my key card, I like to hang that on top of this. Just anything I need to hang up. I like to make like a mini first aid kit. So in here I have like instant cold pack just in case, the non-stick pads. I have waterproof band-aids, cleansing wipes, and Neosporin. I like to keep this stuff in here with like some paws in here. I got this from Dollar Tree, not the pills, but the pack. It's supposed to be for like each day of the week, but for me, I labeled them with different ones. So I have like, Advil, Tylenol. I have some NyQuil, some allergy pills, some laxatives because you never know. Lastly, what I pack, I like to pack in here in addition to like my dental stuff. I like to keep scissors on me just in case. You never know, I may have to like cut a tag or cut something. Just some floss in here. I keep Q-tips in here as well. And if you see from my last video, Carnival does a good job at like really spreading it, like helping people organize their room and organize their bathroom stuff. So I have like two sides where you can actually like set your stuff up, and that's sort of what I did. So I'm gonna continue using that same method. I have like wet wipe, pads, panty liners, feminine items. I also bring a non-surge protect outlet, so I limit it. For the last cruise I went on, there was only one socket, so I just plugged this in, and then I had these extra outlets to use, like to charge my iPad, charge my Apple Watch, things like that. Recommend if you are going on Amazon. I know if you do have like a sailing coming up, go on Amazon. You can actually put in like Carnival Essentials or Carnival approved items, and they'll have this stuff under. This is gonna be my little fanny flat pack. I got this off of Shein, and it was only like $2, $3. It's good for like keeping your like when you're in the airport, keeping your passport, keeping keep your money in there, a bank card, something in here, and you'll be fine. I think I'm definitely going to use this while I'm in the airport. Another thing I pack, this is just a lot of my jewelry and stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't buy expensive jewelry, especially for vacation. If you do have like a lot of nice jewelry, I recommend costume jewelry or something that you probably won't expect to last that long because you don't want to lose anything. I know some people bring like expensive shades, and that's cute and everything, but make sure you pack them up because you don't want to, you don't ever want to just forget. On my last cruise, I actually left my AirPods and I was very upset. So I'm debating if I want to like buy some like knockoff AirPods for this cruise because I can't afford to keep buying AirPods. This is my third pair. That is everything that I'm packing for this cruise. Right now, I'm just gonna go through and just organize some of my things into this suitcase. This is the main suitcase I'm bringing. I'm gonna bring a carry-on that just have like my travel documents and my full purse or whatever. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. And if you have any questions about anything, if you're going on your cruise, let me know. I'll be there in a few days. So if you want my sailing, say what's up, say hey. And see you guys in the next video.